y'all, welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and welcome back to all my subscribers. On today's look, I'm going to be using all my items that I received in my April Boxycharm. So the theme of that box was the festival theme. So this look, I went with a festival / spring look. So I wanted to add those two together and use all the products in there, and let me know what you guys think. Enjoy the video, guys. So I already did my brows, and usually when I do my brows, when I clean up the top part, I clean up with my foundation. So I just went ahead and did my whole forehead. That's why I look like half my face done. So let's get into the eyes. So the palette that I'm using that came in my April Boxycharm is the Pure Festival palette. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'll go with a festival theme. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a festival theme because that's the whole theme of the box, and I'm using all my items in my Boxycharm. So let's see. Like, I love all these colors, y'all. As y'all saw in my review when I did my unboxing, I love all the colors, and I don't know what I'm gonna use. The two colors I'm gonna put in my crease is Epic and Hidden Desert. So I'm gonna put those two colors in my crease. I'm gonna start off with those. And of course, the brush I'm gonna be using is in my Luxie set that I received in my box. So let's see, let's get it out here. Luxie 209 Lock Shader Brush. So for the cut crease, I'm going to use my Luxie 245 small shader brush, and this is like a small painter brush that'll do really good for my cut crease, and it's real thin. And I'm going to do it with my Revolution cut crease canvas. So Wild Child is pretty pink, and I'm going to use Gypsy, which is the pretty purple. The glitter I'm using in this palette is called Fatworks. Yeah, I'm just winging it. I don't even know what festival look I want to go for. Okay, so as you can see, I just applied the glitter all over my lid. What I was trying to accomplish, it wasn't working out. So I just put it all over my lid, which I like it because it gives it like an ombre look. You can still kind of see the colors under it, so I like it. Okay, so finish the flowers. Now under the eye, I'm going to use the color Sunset. And look what I did with this, y'all. I destroyed it. The lashes. So these are the lashes that came in my Boxycharm. So this is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And it's in Instaglam. And this is how they look. So now I'm going to do my foundation and concealer off camera and I'll be back. I'm going to take my Luxie 512 small contouring brush. So this is the other brush that came in my pack that came in my Boxycharm. That's that. So this is the contour brush. So I'm going to use that with my Black Radiance pressed powder and ebony to do my contour. So the sunset color, that'll be a pretty blush. So in the prayer palette, I'm using the sunset. For the highlight, I'm gonna use my Artist Couture. And it's in Purple Dream. That came in my Boxycharm as well. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that. You don't need much, but this is like a whole festival spring look, so I'm using a lot. Okay, I got my Purple Dream highlight applied everywhere. I'm loving this highlighter, y'all. It's so pretty. Okay, so last but not least, what was in my box is the Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. cute. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's really pretty. This holographic. I'm gonna get my son interrupting my video. This holographic lip gloss is like really pretty, and it's not too overpowering either. I love it. Okay. I would be extra and add some more glitter or whatever, but I'm trying to keep it a spring / festival look. So this is the completed look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And thank you so much for all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Leave your comments, your you know I love your feedback and all that. So leave your comments. Let me know what you think of my spring / festival look. So see, I added the little flowers in my hair. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. Be blessed. Bye.